Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make a very delicious Christmas fruit cake. Trust me, you can make this at home for you and your family and your loved ones, and they will all love it. So to begin, we would need to put the margarine or butter into the pot with some sugar, some orange juice, water, and then some honey with some lemon juice as well. So while that is on the stove top, we would go ahead to open up our dates and take off the seeds. Once we are done with that, we would now break them up. You can use a knife to chop them or just use your hands to break them just like I'm doing. Then rinse them properly and transfer into the pot as well with some raisins. Then stir on that, and while it starts boiling up, you allow it to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat, and once that has been done, you can now take it out of the stove top and allow everything to just cool down completely. In a bowl, we would mix up some flour, lemon zest, baking powder, grated nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, and then some milk flavor together. After which, we would set that aside, then crack open some eggs into a bowl and then whisk them together. After mixing them together, we'll now set that aside and check on the fruits. Looking at the fruits, you would see that it has cooled down completely due to the fact that they've all cuddled up together. So to quicken the cooling process, you can just put that into the freezer or dip the pot into a big bowl of water. Now it's time to combine everything together. So we are going to transfer the fruits mixture into the flour mixture and then add in the beaten eggs as well, and then we would gently fold them all together. One tip to always have at the back of our minds while making fruit cake is to always ensure that we are mixing them all gently. So in that way would help prevent over mixing, also preserves delicate ingredients like the fruits and then the spices that we used as well. It's also going to help us maintain even distribution, prevent incorporating too much air because our fruit cake does not need too much air. And it is also good to use a rubber or wooden spatula because these types of utensils are gentle on the ingredients and it won't cause them to become crushed or broken. So after mixing, we'll now transfer that into a pan. I use parchment paper on mine. You can just use butter or oil to just oil the pan, okay? Then after that, I would shake off the air bubbles and put that in the oven for 60 minutes to 20 degrees C. After that, our fruit cake is ready, and I allow the cake to cool down and rest for 24 hours before slicing into it. In that way, you get the best flavor out of the cake, and you can store this in an airtight container and refrigerate for 4 to 6 weeks or freeze for 2 to 3 months, and you can also let it stay in a cool dry place for 2 to 3 weeks or a room temperature for 5 to 7 days. I hope you all have learned something new today, and if you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to like, drop your comments, subscribe if you're yet to, tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye.